Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know those days where you want to go out and take photos, but you're just really not that motivated? That was my day today. And it's summer, I'm not complaining, but it's like we're in the start of a heat wave. It is absolutely roasting. So if you want to actually go outside and it's not almost 40 degrees, you got to go out early. So I got up early to get out to take photos. Just not really motivated. I actually wasn't going to take the GoPro with me. I was just going to kind of go for a walk, not even take my camera, but I'm glad I did. And this is kind of gets me to this where I'm kind of going with this video. It's not always, you're not always going out and taking these like amazing pictures, but a lot of times, you know, you have your camera, you're walking around, and then you kind of have a little, like it's like almost like a little flash, and it's kind of like, hey, I'm actually having a good time now. And that's how my photo walk kind of started this morning. I was walking around, I took a few pictures, then I realized my camera setting was set from a past film simulation that I was kind of working on, but some of the settings got changed and some of them were, the color was all off. So half of my photos at the start were just wrong that I didn't notice in my viewfinder. I can go back and edit the raw files, but of course for the POV and everything else, it was frustrating. So I finally fixed my camera, just turned it on to my favorite film simulation, which is the Classic Neg. So I put it back to the base setting and started walking. And I was actually gonna just turn around and go home, but kind of something caught me in the corner of my eye. It was a building that I photographed before, and there's you'll see it in the POV. There's always kind of, if there's cars parked in front, there's a bit of a reflection on that. So that kind of tweaked it, my, you know, motivation a little bit. And then I kind of just started walking around, and there's a school, obviously school's out for the summer, but I remembered from the winter time when I was there that there's some kind of neat red doors. So I thought, oh, this is gonna look good. You can't go wrong, red, Classic Neg. I'm starting to get kind of a bit more motivated. And then I turned the corner to go to the school. The street is, all the trees have, all of the leaves are out now, nice and green, the red doors, and there's some nice shadows and stuff and everything with the brick and the red, and it got me motivated. So basically what I did is I spent a good 15 minutes just kind of walking up and down that one block, taking some pictures. Some people walked by, got a few shots of some people and some of the shadows and the lights and with the light on the tree and the brick, and it got me actually motivated. So hopefully you kind of will learn a little, maybe you can see this from the video, not learn something, but I just kind of want to say, if you're not motivated to head out, take your camera with you anyways, because there always might be something you see that will kind of snap you out of that unmotivated state, and you'll like to take pictures. Hopefully enjoy this little, it's a short photo walk, kind of back and forth on a block close to home. You don't have to go far to kind of see a bit of inspiration. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know if you enjoyed the photos. Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to also hear what kind of what gets you out of a kind of a creative funk a little bit with your photography. If you have some tips and tricks or suggestions on what you've done in the past that's worked for you, let me know in the comments. It's always be appreciated here. Thanks for following along, everybody. If you're new to the channel, you've made it this far, consider subscribing. We share a lot of POV videos, Fujifilm recipes, Fuji tips and tricks. It's great to have everybody join along. We've got a great community building. It'd be great to have you join as well. Thanks to all my subscribers that follow along as well. Have a great rest of the weekend, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.